Hey guys, in an era of online shopping and gifting, why not gift something to yourself? Particularly if you're a person who puts yourself last. Leaving that note to think, I'm going to dive into the video here. If you're new to my channel and thinking what this is all about, do subscribe. This content is more from for children with spectrum, neurodiverse, etc. Because kids under the neurotypical will automatically pick up something that's come on their own, open, peel, get to see where it's come from, what it's all about, and be inquisitive. For the rest of them, we have to introduce these concepts. This is an amazing way where we can have the child talk to the child, make them have a look that their name is printed on it. This is a gift that came our way and we are grateful for it. So we can also do that to our own selves by wrapping up, even if it's a 5 rupee item the child might like, leave it at the doorstep and just say something like delivered. So that's a great way to start off. Talk to the child, make the child interested in opening up that box. Initially, it might not be the case, but gradually, a couple of times, they will know that they have to unbox something, look at what has come. So, in this case, concept learning happens. This is tactile, going through that bubble wrap, pulling that tape, pulling and pushing, trying to open and see what it is on the inside for the child. And you can also teach the concept of name, address that's going to be printed on the card. So these are different ways beautifully we can engage the child and bring about a concept right at home. So leaving that, signing off, this is Ramya, Simply at Home. As I said, if you're new and if you like the content and stuff that I'm making here, do share it to only those for whom it will be useful. Bye-bye.